In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a workout plan on Trainerize. We'll start on the web version of Trainerize. After you log in, look to the left sidebar and click Programs. Then hit the plus New Program button to create your plan. Here, you'll choose the type of program you need. A master program is a reusable template you can assign to multiple clients, while a custom program is built for one specific client. There's also an option for on-demand workouts if you want a library clients can access anytime. Next, set up the program structure. Give your program a clear, descriptive name, add a training goal if you like, and set the length in weeks. Then choose the format. Calendar-based is best if you want workouts to appear on specific days in the client's calendar. Workout-based is simpler and doesn't use a calendar. Most coaches prefer calendar-based because it makes adherence and scheduling much easier. Now you're inside the program builder. Create your weeks, like week 1, week 2, and so on. Within each week, build out your training split. For example, you might set Monday as full body, Tuesday as upper, Wednesday as rest, Thursday as lower, Friday as conditioning, and keep the weekend optional. Use add week or duplicate week to speed up the process and maintain consistency. Open a training day and click plus. Add workout, then build new workout. Name the workout clearly. For example, upper body strength A, so it's easy for clients to follow and for you to reuse later. You'll enter the workout builder. Add exercises by searching, filtering by body part or equipment using your favorites, or uploading custom exercises. Trainerize includes demonstration videos for most movements, which helps clients execute with confidence. For each exercise, set the details: the number of sets, reps, or time, rest between sets, and tempo if needed. If you program progressive overload, you can also add a percentage of 1 rep max. If you want supersets, circuits, AMRAPs, or EMOMs, use group exercises to pair or stack movements together in the right sequence. Under the workout, add coaching notes. This is a great place for warm-up instructions, RPE targets, tips, modifications, and equipment reminders. These notes appear directly to the client in the app. If you'd like, add progressions in the progression tab, such as increasing weight each week, adding reps or sets, or swapping exercises after a set number of weeks. When you're happy, click Save in the top right. From there, you can add more workouts, duplicate them, and drag and drop them onto different days. Finally, assign the program to a client. Go back to Programs, find your program, click Assign to Client, choose the start date, decide whether to replace or stack with any existing program, and save. Your client will now see the full plan on their Trainerize calendar.